All right, we're out on our trip celebrating my birthday here. Last few years have been fucking wonderful, and this one's gonna be just the same.
Always
It's
great
like-
weather too, every time.
Yeah, this trip is the first of the summer for us. So we're gonna we're gonna start out strong on this one. This is the Fogcutter Double IPA. 8.7% alcohol by volume. It's got 80 IBUs. They're from Eureka, California. It's the Lost Coast Brewery.
Oh, Lost Coast. All right, cool.
So I like the label there with the skeleton on the bike there. It's pretty cool. Nice.
Hazy. Is it unfiltered?
I don't know.
Huh. Little tinge to the head.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells
good. Really good.
It doesn't smell like an 80 IBU bitterness up front. It smells kind of sweet and creamy.
It
you
is,
know?
yeah. Almost kind of like a porter or something.
It smells, yeah, almost like a caramely.
Like real heavy.
I mean,
presence.
it smells hoppy, but it's real floral in the hops and kind of a sweet sort of maltiness. You know what's funny is it smells darker than it looks.
Right.
A little bit.
Right.
Wow.
Not what I expected at all.
Not even
It's so light.
fucking close. It's easy to drink.
Yeah. For a double IPA that's this, that you can't even really taste the alcohol too much.
I can taste some booze in it, but yeah, I mean, at the end,
Well, yeah, you can't.
like it's kind of warming, you know?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
But
It's not.
I expected
potent.
it to be way more bitter. Wow. I mean, there's just enough bitterness to offset all the malt in there. What was the alcohol on that?
8.7.
8.7.
Yeah.
That's why there's so many hops in the fucker, to balance out all that malt.
Yeah. Fuck. That's pretty cool.
It's a well-balanced IPA.
Yeah.
It's just gonna knock us on our fucking ass.
Yeah, pretty much.
Wow.
Kick off the weekend.
That's really good. Like, real refreshing.
I would definitely drink another one of these.
Well, that'd be your
Not
last
after
one
this,
of the day.
Fuck.
It's getting boozier, too.
Yeah, I could tell. Yeah.
like a bourbon
It's
barrel,
like-
kind of almost,
Yeah.
you know?
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Fantastic.
God, this will go really good with the pizza tonight.
It would go, yeah. Yeah.
Chili. Like if we did our pot of chili, poured some in there. Fucking, oh, man.
Yeah. Or like some smoked meat fajitas or, you know, something
Kebabs.
like that.
And,
Yeah.
yeah. Fire roasted kebabs.
Something kind of strong and rich, or maybe like a spicy sweet barbecue or something. You know?
Yeah.
Beef rib or something.
Right.
That'd be good.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Some bratwurst and shit would be good with it, too.
Look at that hummingbird.
I hope the camera caught that.
It's not on camera though, unfortunately. It's behind it. I'll bet it picked up the sound though.
Oh, yeah.
Look at him, he's right there. Oh, there he goes.
Well,
Kind of
yeah.
like the heavier sort of stuff, because it's, I mean, as light and refreshing as this is, it's got some balls.
Oh, yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
a few
It's-
drinks in, there's some booze to it.
Right.
There's some malty carameliness to it. This is good. These guys did a damn good job.
Yeah, they did. I need to get more of their stuff.
Boy, this would be a good one to age. You know?
Yeah, no shit, right? That's a good point.
Try it after a year and see what it's like.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah, it's fucking awesome.
fuck yeah.